which German level do you actually need? There's A1, A2, B1, B2, C1. All 5 levels are tied in some way to Austrian immigration and citizenship. People often find out way too late which one they really need. So let's dive into it. So what you see here is the German level ladder. There are different rungs that are equal to different levels of proficiency needed on your immigration journey in Austria. Let's start with A1. A1 is what you need to prove to get your first initial residence permit. Let's say you're married to an Austrian. The two of you decide to relocate to Austria. Austrian authorities will ask you to prove that you are at least on German level A1 before you move. So if you get your initial residence permit, that will be valid for 1 year. Then you can renew it by another year. 1 year second renewal, you see here, second renewal comes up. Then they will ask you that you're on German level A2. So for a stay through year 3, you will need German level A2. If you ever intend to have permanent residence in Austria, which you can get after 5 years of legal stay in Austria, you would then need to be on German level B1, but not normal B1. You see here in reddish, it's B1 integration. So if you want to switch to permanent residence after 5 years legal stay in Austria, you need B1 integration. And many people stop there. For most things, you don't need more than B1 integration level German. However, if you want to become an Austrian citizen, it may become a little bit more difficult. Why? Because, and now please stay with me because there are some changes on the horizon that are not yet in effect. A person who's been living in Austria for many, many years and right now wanted to file an application under the current law for Austrian citizenship, there are 2 options for them, especially depending on how long they've been living in Austria. So after 6 years and German level B2, you can see here the 6-year track, you could get Austrian citizenship or at least apply for it. Let's say you're only at B1 integration, then it's still possible for you to get naturalized. However, it's a 10-year track. So it's either 10-year and B1 or it's 6-year and B2 track. But let's also look at the changes that are proposed. The changes would only affect naturalization. So if those changes were to come into effect, that would mean 6 years plus C1. Right now it's 6 years plus German level B2. And if we go one step further down, for the 10-year track, it's no longer B1 integration. If the changes come through, it would be B2. So make sure that you know which level of German proficiency is required for you to enter the next level of your immigration journey. Because in my profession as an Austrian immigration attorney, I meet so many people who got blindsided by the requirements. Please stay informed and all the best on your immigration journey. Do take care. Bye.